Okay, we're going to take a quick look at one of the questions from the test where they give you an equation and then they ask you to have a look at the number of graphs and figure out which graph is the correct one. And it's really quite simple once you know what to do. The first thing you're going to do is construct what's called a table of values. Since the two variables are x and y, we'll make a column for x and y. And then we're going to just say, what would y be if x was 0, 1, and 2? I'm choosing these three numbers because they're quite small and it's going to be easy for me to do the calculation. So then we're just subbing in. If x is 0, then it means that this is y is equal to 0 minus 2, which would be minus 2. If x is 1, well then 1 minus 2 is minus 1. And if x is 2, then it would be 2 minus 2 is 0. First step then, make a table of values. This gives me 3 points that are all part of the answer set, and so therefore these 3 points have to be on the line of the graph. So if I look at my lines, look at my first point, it's 0 minus 2. X is 0. X is 0, y is minus 2. X is 0, y is minus 2. Okay, it's either going to be this line or this line. Let's take our next point, 1 minus 1. Along the x-axis I go to 1, and on the y to minus 1. There we go. And just to be sure, we'll do one more point, 2 and 0. If x is 2, y is 0, and bingo, we have it. The answer is Q. So I look here at the bottom and graph Q. Step 1, make a table of values. Step 2, put in some small numbers that are easy to calculate, and then figure out what y is going to be, and then know that these 3 points, 0, negative 2, 1, negative 1, 2, and 0, have to be on your line, and there's the answer.